Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Right. First synthesis you write is synthesis of benzocaine. This is the name of the molecule benzocaine. Like this, they have mentioned 7 molecules that we have to synthesis. You know that first thing we'll do is disconnection. We'll do the disconnection of this benzocaine first. This is the benzocaine molecule. In the first step, we'll disconnect this ethoxy group. In between here, we'll disconnect. So this is the CO disconnection. What we'll get here is, earlier it was ester. We'll get now acid. Next, we are doing functional group interconversion. What we are doing here is, we are converting this amine to nitro group. What is the name of the process? Can anybody tell? Converting NH to NO2. What is the name of the reaction? Oxidation or reduction? Oxidation or reduction? Are you adding oxygen or hydrogen?
Oxidation.
Oxygen.
Oxidation.
Yes, it is oxidation. Yes. Next, this acid, we are converting into methyl group. What is this reaction? Oxidation or reduction?
Reduction.
Very good. This is reduction. Next, we are disconnecting this one. Look at here, CN. So this is our disconnection process. The first step is disconnection. Have you copied this one? Just copy quickly. Have you copied?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we'll see the synthesis. This is the disconnection we have done now. We'll see the synthesis. I will explain here only. I will not write this entire thing because writing on the screen is very, very difficult. We'll start from the last. Synthesis, you just write. And we'll start from here. This is our starting material. So from this toluene to paranitrotoluene, we have to get from this one. What reagent I have to add here? Anybody?
Nitrogen mixture.
Yeah, it's a mixture of
HNO3 and H2SO.
and H2SO.
very good.
Nitrogen mixture.
This we have to add. We'll get this one. Next, from this methyl group to benzoic acid, we have to get. What reagent we have to add? Anybody? Methyl group to benzoic acid. What group we have to add? What reagent we have to add? It is KMNO4. Remember always, side alkyl group which is attached to the benzene ring, that can be converted into acid by using KMNO4. I already told this one once. Next, look at here, NO2 to NH2. What reagent we have to add? Reduction process we have to do, right? What reagent we have
Yes,
to
sir.
add? Yeah, what reagent we have to add? Have you heard about Raney nickel?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, RANEY. This is Y. RANEY, Raney nickel. You can use this, or you can also use this H2PD. You write this one. Next thing, what is happening here? OH we are converting into acid, we are converting into ester. What we have to add? What do you have to add? Simply you can add
The-
ethyl halide, you can add CH3, CH2, Cl. If you add, means what will happen? This O will act as a nucleophile. It attacks here. This will go away and we'll get this one. So this is a synthesis. Shall we go for next synthesis?
Yes, sir.
I'll change the slide now. Synthesis of cantharidin. Among these 7, one will be asked in exam for the 5 or 6 marks. Carefully study these things. First we have studied, and the second is cantharidin. This is the molecule of cantharidin. First we have to do disconnection, you know that thing. Disconnection we are doing now. Look at here, it is like a Diels-Alder reaction. If we cut here and here, we'll get a furan, and we'll get malic anhydride. You know that this group is malic anhydride. Extra methyl group is there here. Here one extra methyl group. Here one is extra methyl group is there. To accommodate that, this we added a sulfur here. Right, one is furan, and it is a derivative of malic anhydride. You might have heard about malic acid. It is the anhydride of that malic acid. This is the disconnection. We shall see the synthesis of this one. Synthesis, we'll take a furan and we'll add a derivative of that malic anhydride. So you know that Diels-Alder reaction. This will add here. This will come here and this will go here. But look at here, in our product, we don't have a double bond here, but here we got a double bond. Extra double bond is there, right? Double bond is there or what?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we have to reduce
Yes,
that one. We have to reduce that one. So again, what is the reducing agent for the reduction of double bond? What is this?
Ranitidine.
Very good. This is ranitidine. So this double bond got reduced and we got our target molecule. Shall we go for third one? Shall I change the slide? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'll change
Yes,
the
sir.
slide now. Synthesis of saccharin. Third molecule is synthesis of saccharin. This is a saccharin molecule. You know that in the first step, we'll do disconnection. We are disconnecting at 2 places here, this place and this place. So we got OH group here. So this become acid and this becomes sulfonic acid, plus one more is amine. So this is the first disconnection. Next, what we'll do, you know that if there is an acid means, we'll do the functional group interconversion. Acid to methyl group. Is it oxidation or reduction? Acid is there.
Reduction.
Very good. Next, we are disconnecting this. Next, we are disconnecting this sulfonic acid. We'll get this. We shall see the synthesis. We'll start with this toluene molecule. You know that toluene methyl group is electron donating group. Which director it is? Meta director or ortho para director?
Ortho para.
Yes, very good. Ortho para. That's why you got two products. Look at here. One is ortho product and another one is what? Para product. But we want only a ortho product. We want only what? Ortho product. Next, we got SO2Cl, sulfonyl chloride here, right? But we'll convert that into sulfonyl amide by adding ammonia. In this step, we are converting sulfonyl chloride into sulfonyl amide. We're adding ammonia here. This is the next step. So to convert, you already know this step. To convert methyl group to acid, what reagent do we need?
K-menu.
Yeah, you know already this thing. Next it is just cyclization. It will undergo itself a cyclization and it will give our target molecule. Have you copied?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we'll see the next synthesis. Next is synthesis of bisabolin. So this is the molecule bisabolin. You know that the first step will be disconnection. Have you heard about Wittig reaction? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes.
Wittig reaction. So Wittig reaction means we are disconnecting here. If we disconnect here means we'll get a ketone and this is called as phosphorus ylide. This is called as phosphorus ylide. When we mix ketone molecule and phosphorus ylide, we'll get a double bond like this. Remember, this is the name reaction, Wittig reaction. Next, we'll disconnect this also. We're taking the same molecule here. Look at here, one double bond is there. If we disconnect that, if we shift here, we got a diene and dienophile. What is the name of this reaction? What is the name of this reaction?
Diels-Alder
Very
reaction.
good. Yes. Diels-Alder reaction it is. So this is the disconnection. Next we shall see synthesis. We'll begin with the Diels-Alder reaction. You know that it is 4,5,2,5 addition reaction. We'll get this product. We'll get next. We'll add a phosphorus ylide to this one. To the ketone, if you are adding phosphorus ylide, we'll get this double bond. This is our target molecule. Have you copied? Shall I go for next? Say yes or no. If you need time, I will give time.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. I will send this PPT also, no problem. If something is left means, I will send the PPT also. Just listen what is happening here. That's next synthesis of 4-methoxy acetophenone. Synthesis of 4-methoxy acetophenone. Write the name. Synthesis of 4-methoxy acetophenone. This is methoxy, and this is acetyl group. First, we'll do the disconnection of this one. You have to tell, this is very simple molecule, right? You tell me what group I have to disconnect. Which group? Anybody?
CH2
Which group? Electron withdrawing group.
alcohol.
Which group I have to disconnect? This first one or second one? Which group I have to disconnect?
First one.
What is the guideline says? Fifth guideline.
First.
Remember that guideline. Which fifth? What is the fifth guideline? What is the fifth guideline? If electron withdrawing group present in a molecule, disconnect that first. Right? Am I audible? Yes. We'll
If there
disconnect.
is a choice to disconnect first.
Yeah, we have to disconnect this electron withdrawing
Yes,
group.
sir.
Now we'll disconnect here. What we'll get means OCS3 plus CS3 CO Cl will get. Next, we'll further disconnect this one. What we'll get again if we disconnect means we'll get the OH plus methyl group. I'll write this as a CS3Cl. Next, this is a disconnection. This is a disconnection. Next, what is a synthesis? What is synthesis? We'll take a phenol, we'll take. For that, I will not add a methyl chloride because it is not a good methylating agent. What I will add here is Me2SO4 dimethyl sulfate. It is very good methylating agent. Next we'll get is we'll get OCS3. Next, for this, if you add CS3 COCl, if you add means we'll get our target molecule. I will ask you one question here. This methoxy group, this methoxy groups, whether it is orthopara directing or meta directing. Which one?
Orthopara.
Yes, it is ortho.
Orthopara.
Yes, very good. It is a orthopara directing. It is simple, right? Shall I go for next?
Yes, sir.
Next synthesis is cubane. It is later big molecule. This you know that this is a cubane molecule. First we'll do the disconnection for this one. What is the first step here is while disconnecting, we are adding here. That is why it is a FGA. FGA means functional group addition. We are adding two acids at opposite places, here and here. Next, again, one more functional group addition. Next, addition of bromine atoms to the opposite side. Next, don't copy this one. Don't try to copy. I will send this one because this will take a time and it is a little trickier to copy. Don't copy this one. Just observe. Next, look at here. These spaces, these got opened. So it is connected to here. It is connected to here. Because of that, this above, it became 6 member. And now what we will do here is we'll clear homolytically here. So this will become double bond and this will also double bond. Look at here. This is the double bond and this is the double bond. Next, again we will disconnect here. This bonds will be disconnected. So we got one 4-membered ring and another 6-membered ring. This is the extra thing. This is the synthetic equivalent actually. What is a synthon means? Only a 4-membered ring. This is a disconnection. What they will do here is this is a target molecule for us. It is not easy to synthesize actually. First we have to do functional group addition. What are those things means? Addition of carboxylic acid. Next, again we are doing one more. Again we are doing one more functional group addition. Bromine atom and bromine atom. Next, we are disconnecting homolytically using a light. We will get this. Next, if you disconnect here and here, we will get this molecule and this molecule. We will see the synthesis. We have taken that this organometallic compound. This is called as organometallic compound because iron connected to this organic compound. That is why it is called as organometallic compound. If we add to this thing, what will happen means 2pi cycloaddition will be there here. We'll get this. And next, this double bond and this double bond will be added. Again, this is 2pi cycloaddition. We'll get this molecule. This extra thing means this ketone molecule and bromine will be removed by base hydrolysis. First, bromine atoms will be removed using a base hydrolysis. Next, you know that these acids will be removed by decarboxylation reaction. So this is our synthesis. Don't copy this. I will send this PPT to you. Next is synthesis of lycorane. First step is disconnection. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
This big molecule is lycorane here. Just observe the step what I'm doing. Don't concentrate on big molecule. We have to concentrate what is happening in the molecule. In the first step, we are disconnecting this methyl group. We are removing this methyl group. Yeah, here we remove. In the second step, we are disconnecting here. If we disconnect means we'll get a NH2 and we'll get a alkyl halide. Look at here. We got a NH2 and we got alkyl halide. Next, we are converting this alkyl halide into sorry, this amine into we are converting NO2. You know that it is a oxidation process, functional group interconversion. Next, again, we will do one more functional group interconversion. In that, we are converting this alkyl halide to acid. Next, what we are doing here means this, we are converting this single bond, we are converting into double bond. This is again a one more functional group. Look at here. This is a single bond here. We are converting that into double bond. Next, we are disconnecting here. You know that double bond we can disconnect, and that can be reformed by Wittig reaction. You already see such a reaction. So we disconnected here. So we'll get a ketone here. And if you observe this carefully, we can synthesize this molecule by Diels-Alder reaction. Diels-Alder reaction. This is a diene and this is a dienophile. This is the disconnection for this big molecule. Next, we shall see synthesis. You know that we'll start this reaction with the Diels-Alder reaction. This is a 4,5 molecule and this is a 2,5 molecule. If we add this means we'll get this one. But we got this extra double bond here. You know that this will be reduced by using a Raney nickel. So this got reduced here. Next, we are using chromium trioxide. You know that this is the oxidizing reagent. It will convert this alcohol to ketone. Next, this double bond will be formed. I told this double bond will be formed using a Wittig reagent. We are using a Wittig reagent here and this double bond is formed here. Next, you know the name, what is this? What is the use of this one means? It is a methylating agent. It will methylate. Here OH is a COOH is there. We are methylating this to ester. This is acid and this is ester. Next is reduction. You know the lithium aluminum hydride means it is a reducing agent. We are reducing this one. Look at here. This is the ester and we are reducing this into alcohol. Next, we are doing alkyl amination reaction. Look at here. This amine, you know, we are adding to here. This is called as alkyl amination reaction. Alkyl amination reaction. Next, we will get this one. Next, this thing is extra for us. This thing is extra for us. So we are removing that by this step. So if that happens means we'll get a target molecule. Am I audible? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Don't try to copy these things because this needs a lot of time. So I will send a PPT to you. From that, you please copy. Okay? Say yes or no.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Any question you want to ask me?